How's it going, guys? Back again with yet another video for you. Hope everyone is enjoying hump day. It's the middle of the week. Friday's almost here. I hope everyone is pushing through it. Of course, meeting all your goals. If you're in the gym, keep going, keep pushing. Of course, there's a reason that today I am wearing a button-up shirt. Today's topic is going to be how to tie a tie. And yeah, I'm actually kind of excited for this video. I think that it is very important for young men and all men alike to know how to tie a tie. We're not doing fake ties. We're not doing any of that fake stuff. We're learning how to tie a tie. If you don't know, look it up on YouTube. You might find this video. But yeah, I mean, we're also going to talk a little bit about other garments that should be in a man's wardrobe or a young man's wardrobe. But again, I know this isn't really geared towards the ladies, but if you are a woman, a single parent out there, and you have a son, this is something you may want to show him. This is something that's important as they grow older. So yeah, let's get to it. So I have my black tie. It's just a regular black tie. It's just a regular black tie. I think it actually came with this shirt. I can't remember. But to start off, I'm not gonna do it, but for the sake of this video, what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to button that top button around your neck. And you're supposed to, I start with my collar up. It's just easier that way to start that way. But yeah, top neck button, top neck button, buttoned, collar up. For those of you that are interested in the type of tying this is specifically, no idea. Sorry, I can't help you with that. If you do know how it is, the name of it, the specific name of this, please feel free to put it in the comments. But I personally don't know. I looked it up a long time ago. It was easiest for me. I'm left-handed, so this is the one I go with. So yeah, so we're gonna start with a tie around our neck. This is the fat side, skinny side. Gonna make sure that your skinny side, you pull your fat side down a lot more than your skinny side. There's a reason why. So how we're gonna start, we're gonna cross the skinny side underneath the fat side. And then we're gonna hold our hand right here, and we're gonna loop it around. Make sure you bring the fat side all the way around. Once you bring that all the way around, it's gonna create this. And then you're gonna take the fat side up under and through the neck portion while still holding on to this. This is important for this. That is what you're gonna slip this through. So now that you have that part completed, I like to open up the hole that you're holding and slip the thick portion through that hole. Once you slip it through there, it's pretty much done, and all you have to do is pull the skinny part and cinch the tie. Now, as you can see, there's some area of this you're gonna have to work with to get it the way that you want this part right there. But essentially, you're gonna cinch it, and you have your tie tied. That's how it's gonna look. What's important though is that you kind of play with it a little bit. Sorry, let me sit back a little bit. What's important is that you play with it a little bit though, and you're gonna want to adjust it. If this is your first time tying a tie, you're probably gonna end up adjusting it a lot. It's gonna be very aggravating. So please just take your time. Please just make sure you're adjusting it to the way that you want. There's also there's also a few things that I became to understand a little bit over time. There is a certain drop length that you want your fat portion to drop on your body. So it just depends on your body, but basically, as you're going to be wearing a belt, obviously, and you're going to want this portion, this little tip right here, to drop just above the belt buckle. That's the proper way to wear it according to your body. Make sure this tip drops just above the belt buckle. That is important for the look that you're looking for. I know it's a small detail, but it matters. And when I say just above the belt buckle, I don't mean sitting right on top of it. I mean, like, if you know this method, just kind of do that between your belt buckle and the tip of the tie. That should be plenty of room. If it's all the way to your belt, you're gonna know that it looks wrong. Someone's gonna tell you that it looks silly. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys. Obviously, like I said, I have it's a plain black tie. These are a couple ties out of my own personal wardrobe. I also have this orange one. Just a plain, it's kind of textured a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of textured, orange. I don't even think I've worn this one, maybe one time. Yes, I actually wore it one time. It's from Van Heusen. If you like dress clothes, Van Heusen is a great place to go shopping for men. Maybe women too. Never really looked at their stuff for women. But yeah, Van Heusen, I love that place. Definitely a recommended place to go shopping for dress clothes. I got this tie. It's like red, gold, black, a couple of colors. I like it. It's kind of formal, kind of not at the same time. It's from Peebles, if you know Peebles. Yeah. Yeah, I wear this a little bit. I got also a blue one, a blue tie. And as you'll see again, Van Heusen, back again. And my last tie that I'm gonna show you guys, it's kind of a favorite. I have only worn it like once though, but I love the style. I might wanna get another one. And that is black with the pattern. And I love it because of that. The part you can't even see. I love it because of this part. The part you can't even see, and the gold right there. I don't know why I love this one so much, but I just love it. Anyway, back to the wardrobe. Just a couple things that I wrote down in my notes. Fellas, you want a pea coat, you want some button-up shirts, you want some ties, you want some dress shoes, you want some cufflinks, if that's your thing. But the essentials, me personally, pea coat is essential, button-up shirt is essential, dress shoes are essential, a nice belt as well. With the belt, I've learned that if you get the reversible ones, they break very easily. They're a dud. My opinion, don't get them. But yeah, that's the tutorial and the little overview of garment stuff you should have for today. I hope everyone liked the video. I know it's kind of a little rushed, but if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment below. If you have any other essentials that you think should be in a man's wardrobe, drop them down below. I would love to hear your feedback, and I hope everyone has a great day and enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we will be back tomorrow.